Our focus standard for this lesson comes from Grade 8, Functions, Standard B, Use functions to model relationships between quantities. The topic for this lesson comes from our new unit on applying functions, review of linear relationships and functions. Our essential question today is, what information can we recall from mathematical models about linear relationships and functions? Please take a moment, pausing the video if you need to make sure that you have all of this information copied into your header, along with today's date, set up your question column, and your note column, and resume the video when you're ready to begin. So in this video, I'm going to present 8 questions, and here they are, and I want you to use your notes from Mathematical Models unit to review and find the answers to the following questions. So I'll read them out to make sure that we agree and do a little bit of explanation, but in order to get full credit for these notes, you need to have the questions copied down and the answers to them filled in. The first question is, the slope-intercept form for a linear equation is y equals blank x plus blank. Number 2, slope compares the rate of blank between the blank and blank quantities. Number 3, the ratio for finding slope is the change in blank over the change in blank. Number 4, the y-intercept of a linear equation is where the blank crosses the blank. Number 5, another name for y-intercept is the blank value. Number 6, a function is defined as a relationship that has exactly blank input for every blank. And number 7, we use the blank blank test to determine if the graph of a relationship is a function or not. And our final question, I want you to draw an example of the following. The first thing I want you to draw is a graph of a function, and show me how you would know for sure or prove to somebody that the graph that you drew is a function. And then I want you to draw an example of a graph that is not a function, and again have a way to prove to somebody that it's not a function. So you may want to challenge yourself to answer most of these questions from memory and then go back and use your notes, but as a reminder, in order to get full credit for these notes, I'm looking for you to have the questions written down with your answers filled in the blanks. Be sure to include a summary, and you may also want to begin writing some study guide questions. Can you maybe generalize these 8 questions into 3 main ideas?